How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll simply show you on how you can reset your Ion speaker Bluetooth. Now, if you're only having a problem with your connected device, for example, if you're connected through your Apple device or Android, the steps is going to be the same. You just want to forget the device, and then this will reset the settings for our Ion speaker only on that connected device. Now, if you're not satisfied with the result, you then want to try to factory reset the device itself. Now, in most models out there, of course, there's multiple models of the Ion speaker. You just want to press the following buttons. Now, once again, for most models out there, it's going to be the plus volume button. And while you're holding this button, you also want to hold click on the volume down. You also want to make sure that your device is turned on before doing this. Now, you want to hold it for 5 seconds and see what happens. If nothing happened, you want to head over to the second way, which is to once again hold click the volume up button. And at the same time, you also want to hold click on the power button. This will then reset the device itself. Now you want to try these two methods. Basically, the other one will work for the other models, and the other one will work once again for different models if the first step didn't do anything. And so that's how you reset your Ion Bluetooth speaker. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.